But I went there to teach her a lesson and ended up I got schooled. And what it was she's just this small little English lady with red curly hair and with a heavy English accent. Her name was Sylvie Simmons. And she'd never been to Hawaii, but somehow hooked up with these UFOs and became part of their ukulele group and started playing songs with them. And then through that group, she met this gentleman by the name of John Watanabe. Just happened to be a local boy from Hawaii. He himself retired, and so they kind of hit it off and started playing ukulele. Next thing you know, he's buying her her own ukulele with ukulele case, and then they decide to go, and I know that's a big commitment right there. And ends up, they went to Hawaii for the first time. She'd never been to Hawaii. Took her to all the different places to visit, and it's just really, I guess she explained it as just a heavenly time while she was there. And what had happened was, while they're in Hawaii, he proposed to her. And I hate to finish this story. Anyways, he came back and they were jamming with the ukulele, the UFOs, and having a good time. And then one day, John just passed away. And but through it, she was able to get through all of that because of these friends that she made and all of the connections that these people had to Hawaii. All of these songs, blues talks about all the sadness and all the, somebody stole my dog and my shoes ran off. And rock and roll is all about, And then Hawaiian music is about, what do you think when you're from Hawaii? First thing that comes out of our mouth, aloha, love. And so that's what this song came from that source there, that love that she felt. So a song called You Are In My Arms by Sylvie Simmons. There's a million stars up in the sky tonight, and I have wished on everyone. The air is sweet and warm, and the waves caress the shore, and the tears in my eyes aren't for sorrow, they're for joy, 'cause you were in my arms, you were in my arms. The moon is floating on the water tonight, and I am drowning in your kiss. Sometimes it seems we're living in a dream, and the tears in my eyes aren't for sorrow, they're for joy, 'cause you are in my arms, you were in my arms. And this crazy world can go on being crazy. We don't have to pay any be mine. There's just you and me in the sweet revelry where we can be together and for all time. And though you're far away from me tonight, I see you in the stars above. I hear through the breeze that whispers through the trees, and the tears in my eyes aren't for sorrow, they're for joy. 'Cause you are in my arms, you are in my arms. You're far away from me tonight, I see you in the stars above. I hear through the breeze that whispers through the trees, and the tears in my eyes aren't for sorrow, they're for joy. 'Cause you are in my arms, you are in my arms, you were in my arms, always in my arms. Sylvie Simmons.